Hey guys, what's up? It's Extreme Pokemaster. So, we are going to go up and fight the Team Plasma Grunts. Oh, I went to the Pokemon Center here. You take what's mine. I'm gonna beat the crap out of you. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know, I'm feeling in daytime. That's kind of bad. That's it. Snivy, teach him some manners. No, I hate that move. Snive's not gonna really take him out. Snive's having a hard time. Okay, let's hope this works. We're not gonna go with Tackle. Tackle's too weak right now. Strat fainted. Come on, have more than one Pokemon! I mean, seriously! We're doing a double battle now. See? Come on, why is it so blurry? Wait. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're both level 14. Nice. Ouch. Thank you. I missed you. Tackle. Let's do that one. I hate that one. Sharon, stop attacking the one I'm attacking. God damn it. Really, Pig? Really? Come on, Vine Whip. This guy. Yeah! Karen. Uh-oh, you're losing. Losing Snivy here. Oh. You should have used Ember, you dumbo. Let's just go with the Tackle. He's good. Bye-bye. I don't want to get. I'll get that later. I'll tell you. I'll get that in my free time, and I'll tell you what it is. Thank you. Let's go actually catch some Pokemon. See in here. Oh yeah, I found a Pokeball in there. It was a super potion. That's the one I wanted. Maybe it's not strong, but I'll raise it. Alright then. We remember what to do, right? First, we take it down. Okay. So make sure we don't kill it. Just gonna keep using quick attack, I bet. No. Yes, it's good. His health is good right now. Now? Okay, let's go with a great ball. I got a great ball from some guy. One, 2, 3. Yay! We caught a Blitzel! Welcome to our team, Blitzel. So I'll raise this guy on my free time. Okay. Nope. Dang it. Kadub? Nah. Kinda weak. I need, like, right now, level 14. Sooner or later, my Snivy's gonna evolve. Oh my god. Well, it's good to have you trained. Alright then, Snivy, you're up. You think we should have healed up first? Don't worry. I got a super potion, so see? Let's keep going with Tackle. I forgot we had the orange berries. And bye-bye. That was actually kind of a tough battle. We almost lost there. Level 15. Yay. Okay, we're actually going to leave off here. Please subscribe and goodbye.